Welcome back to Techno Trend Zone. Today's topic is massive. DJI's first true 360 FPV drone is almost here, and if the leaks are accurate, this could completely change the way we fly and create content. The DJI AA 360 is expected to launch around March, and in this video, I am breaking down everything in clear and simple words. We will talk about the leaked 8K 60 FPS 360 recording, dual 1/1.1-inch sensors, rotating camera system, 4K 120 FPS FPV mode, new 4-blade propellers, 23 to 25 minutes battery life, multidirectional obstacle sensing, DJI O4 transmission, goggles N3 support, expected weight, and possible pricing bundles. So stay with me, because this is not just a small upgrade. This could be a new era for FPV drones. The biggest highlight is the camera system. According to early listings and leaked images, the DJI AA 360 may feature a dual camera setup with large 1/1.1-inch sensors. Bigger sensors mean better low-light performance, improved dynamic range, and sharper details. But the real game changer is the rotating camera module. Reports suggest the camera can rotate to switch between full 360-degree spherical capture and a normal forward-facing FPV mode. That means you do not have to choose between a 360 drone and a traditional FPV drone. You get both in one machine. In full 360 mode, the drone is expected to record 8K video at 60 frames per second. That gives huge flexibility in editing. You can reframe your shots later. You can choose any angle after the flight. When switched to standard FPV mode, it could record 4K at up to 120 frames per second. That is perfect for high-speed action and smooth slow motion. Instead of worrying about framing during a dive, you can focus only on flying. Later, you adjust the angle in post-production. This changes the creative workflow completely. Now let's talk about the design. DJI seems to continue with a ducted, hoop-style frame. It is compact and includes full prop guards for better safety. This design is ideal for tight spaces and indoor flying. The leaks also suggest 4-blade propellers instead of 3. 4 blades can improve stability and give smoother throttle response. That means cleaner cinematic lines and better control. Shock turn sighting. Expected weight is around 370 to 380 grams, but this is not confirmed yet. It could change depending on final hardware and battery size. Battery life is rumored to be between 23 and 25 minutes. For a ducted FPV drone recording 8K, that is impressive. There are also hints of fast charging support through a new charging hub, which means less waiting and more flying time. On the smart features side, the DJI AA 360 is rumored to include multidirectional obstacle sensing. Not just downward sensors, but forward and possibly side detection, and even LiDAR assistance. If true, this could make it one of the most intelligent FPV drones ever built. It would allow safer flying in tight environments and better subject. Tracking transmission is expected to use DJI's O4 system. That should deliver lower latency and stronger signal performance. It will likely support DJI goggles N3 and the RC2 controller, keeping the immersive FPV experience strong and responsive. Now, about pricing. Leaks suggest multiple bundles. A drone-only version could start around $400 to $500. A standard combo with controller may land between $600 to $700, and a full bundle with extra batteries and goggles could range from $800 to $1,000. These prices are based on early listings and may vary by region. If these leaks are correct, the DJI AA 360 is not just another drone. It is a hybrid machine that blends aggressive FPV flying with full 360 creative freedom. This could attract not only FPV pilots, but also content creators who want more flexibility in editing. If you like the video, subscribe, share the video, and hit the bell icon. And give your best opinion about this product in the comments. Would you buy it or stick with traditional FPV?